Hi everyone, welcome back to Plum Figgy. This is Tammy. I've got another Etsy share for you today. This is a really interesting journal actually. It is a hardcover from old book cover, and then the closure is some sari silk that's got kind of like a light taupe color that fades into a faint blue color. So really pretty sari silk. It's got a really fun, well, I don't know how fun it is. On the cover, you can write what your journal is about in here, and this is all glued down. Or if you wanted to, you could paste over this your own label, or make it removable if you'd like. The spine is a flat spine, but the signatures are not sewn into the spine. So, it lays really flat, and this one's going to be really good for writing in. The spine is flat, it's not curved, and then as you can see, it's got this really awesome fabric that is like calligraphy. So I love, it's simple, but I just love this book so much. So for the inside, front and back covers, I did this gray, it's like a charcoal gray color cardstock. And then the spine fabric on the inside is another color of gray. And then I did a little bit of lace on the top and bottom. And this has been distressed. I don't know how well you can see that, but the edges have been distressed. So this journal is basically highlighting a digital kit. I knew I was going to forget. Hold on, I'll find the digital name and tell you who that is. 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. The digital kit that I used in this journal is by an Etsy shop called Digital Fit, and I'll link that down below if you're curious and want to check them out. So I've essentially combined their digital prints with other tea-dyed papers and envelopes and things. And so there is some tea-dyed tracing paper in here as well. But yeah, this one is going to be a very neutral, sorry, sometimes it's hard to turn the pages. This one's going to be a very neutral journal, and here's a tea-dyed envelope. So there's room for you to add your own ephemera and, junk journal it up. Or if you wanted to use this as a writing journal, I think this would be a fantastic one for that. There's just so much writing space in here and so many lined papers from the digital kit that, or a combination of both. I know I use my journals in different ways as well. So I made this thinking as part of the fall release that I'm doing, or I don't know if you want to call it a release, but the fall journals that I've done because of some of those pages. But I don't know that I necessarily classify this as a strictly fall journal. You can see here. Oh, and then there's pages like this with the lace that are from tailor-made journals. So 2 digital kits. I apologize. Or 2 different digital kits from 2 different Etsy sellers. Oh my gosh. Got to get all the details correct here. So we got another pocket there with this glassine bag. And yeah, so just kind of grungy, kind of neutral, kind of naturey, and just a lot of really, just pretty, really, I think. Lots and lots of writing space. So I'll just quickly flip through the rest of this and let you see what it all entails. I'm trying to think. I think it's got 1, 2, 3, 5 signatures. And like always, I'll have all those details in my Etsy description for each item, kind of detailing out how many pages they are and front and back total writing space, all that good stuff. Measurements, everything like that. So I don't know if I've seen a digital that combines grunge with beauty quite as well as this one. It's just well, I shouldn't say that. I have a lot of really great digital kits from a lot of great artists. Crafty Cat does a really good job with this kind of thing too. I really appreciate the neutralness of it and how versatile these kits are. The digital kit that Crafty Cat just recently made with her and the bits of mauve color and gray in this one, I love it. But yeah, the recent digital kit that Crafty Cat just put out is very similar to this in an office-y kind of way with like ledger papers and things like that too. So I just really appreciate those. So alright guys, well that is a quick flip through of this really cute fun little journal. As you can see, there's plenty of room for growth. If you like gator mouse, this definitely could do that. So right now, honestly, it doesn't even need a closure, but I couldn't resist putting this gorgeous closure on the book just to kind of add a little bit more to it. So, all right, guys, I will see you all in the next one. Bye.